Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix your TikTok video if it has been stuck under review for more than a day. But before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, launch the TikTok app and ensure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to head over to your profile. Next, tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy from there. Now, scroll through the settings menu until you find the option labeled Report a Problem and tap on it. Once you're in the Report a Problem section, you'll notice multiple categories. Try locating one that's related to videos, but don't worry if you can't find it. There's another way. Simply select the option to chat with us to contact TikTok support directly. Here, you can explain your issue. For example, you can write something like, "My video has been under review for more than one day. I would like to repost it. Please review it as soon as possible." Be sure to include any relevant details about the video, and if you can, attach a screenshot or screen recording showing the issue. After submitting the report, TikTok usually responds within 24 to 48 hours. Once your report is reviewed, they'll either approve your video or let you know if something needs to be fixed. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix a TikTok video that's stuck under review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can stay updated with more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.